Okay, all you have to do to take off one of these in a Grand Am 2000 or 99 to 2005, I think. All you have to do is pull on an edge and it comes right off. Probably should take this off before. And basically comes right off. If you can't really get a angle on it, just use a flathead screwdriver and pry it off with just pulling it gently right there. And right there, it's just comes off pretty easy after that. This lifts off, and there is two little wires right there connecting the hazards and the anti-lock or the brake stuff, and you have to disconnect both of those with a flathead. After you get those taken apart right there, you have to bring it down here, and there's a cigarette lighter adapter thing right there, and you have to take that off too. After you disconnect it from the cigarette lighter, all you have to do is take it off of there, and you could, or I've found the easiest way to do this is turn it on and shift it so it just lifts right off, and turn off the car after you put it into park. And from there you can just take off the CD player or whatever you need to do. This can easily come off with the removal of those two things right there. Same with the CD player. I have a aftermarket one in that came with the car, so that's a pretty good deal, and don't make fun of that. The little pennies right there. The CD player was a little bit too deep after I plugged in a iPod connector, and I had to improvise today. Once I get home, I will get something better on there so it doesn't look so ghetto. And that's about it.